Alright guys, RBH at you. I knew we had all kind of cool stuff that we were going to do videos on, and this is one of them. This is an electronic precision screwdriver set. Just wanted to do this for a Tool Tuesday kind of thing. This thing is really cool. I know other people have their favorite brands or favorite things. This is one of my new ones. So in the box you're going to get a little instruction manual. So it looks like, gives you everything that it comes with here. Let you guys get a look at that. That's all the different bits and pieces you're going to get. Alright. Now to me, I love this. This is actually a magnetic tray. So when you get done with your little screws and your bits, you set them down on here. And it actually holds really, really good. Love that. They come with that extra, definitely a little added bonus. And you can see here we got our rechargeable, and comes with the LED lights so you can see your work. And you got the forward button, and yes, y'all can get her in the camera there. So she's moving around pretty good. And got our back button to back her up. So pretty nice. Actually got some pretty good torque to it. Good for getting out those stubborn fasteners. And of course, we come with our charging cable. And I'm not sure what this thing is for. It says magnetize and demagnetize. So I'm assuming that maybe you can zoom or focus. There we go. So I'm sure it's for magnetizing and demagnetizing the bits or the screws maybe. Really haven't read the instructions on it yet, so I'm not sure. Then it comes with several of these little guitar pick looking pieces. These are actually for repairing phones, which I don't really plan on doing, for getting like the screens off of phones. Then it comes with a couple of different little pry bars for doing various different objects and things. So these are like all bonuses to me. I thought I was just getting an electric screwdriver with a bit set. Then we have a manual driver in case you decide you just don't want to use the power one. Or if it dies on you in the middle of a job, you got to back up with a manual. Then there's all your various different little bits. Some I've heard of, some I haven't ever seen before. Even on the Torx bits, we had the safety all the way down to that teeny tiny, I don't even know what, that T0. I mean, jeez. Oh, there's a micro. Let's see if we can get her to focus. Look how micro that Torx bit is, and it's a safety one with the hole in the middle of it. That's crazy. But yes, it comes with a couple of these tools in here are supposed to be special for iPhone, and I'm not sure which one they are, but yeah. So this was the Sharden electric precision screwdriver set. I really like it. Magnetic motor, premium steel, LED lighting, Type-C USB, lithium battery, and a worry-free guarantee. What more can you ask for? Oh, here's a list of things you're supposed to be able to repair with it. Computers, cell phones, laptops, gaming consoles, tablets, gaming controller, RC drones, eyeglasses, smartwatch, and a toy. You can repair your toy teddy bear. Look out. I'm not sure. What was that? What was that? Teddy Ruxpin or something like that? You can repair him, I guess. So there you go, if he quits talking. Alright guys, so I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm non-affiliate, so I won't be making no money off here if you order it. I just wanted to present it to you, let you know that it is a really cool piece. 52 pieces exactly. So yeah, that's it. Look, here goes our other list of precision bits that you get. The other list. And standoff bit for iPhone. I'm not sure. I guess that's that crazy, kind of just looks like a Phillips bit to me, but yeah. Apparently iPhones are using a very special little bit, but you got one in there. Cool. Alright, y'all. Short but sweet, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good day.